What is up, guys? Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your Instagram with ChatGPT by using Zapier. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar you need to type Zapier. After that you will see this first official website of Zapier. Click on this website, and if you are new here you can just sign up with your account, but if you already have a Zapier account you will be directly logged into your account. Now from here you need to click on create, and then you need to click on Zaps, and after that you will be creating a new Zap from here. So first you need to click on trigger, and then you need to search for schedule, and after that it will ask you to select an event. You need to choose every day, and after that in the next step, which is the action, you need to click here and then search for ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the ChatGPT. I'll just click on it once, and after that to choose an event I will choose to generate an image, or I can even send a prompt, but for now I'll generate an image. So just select generate an image, and after that you need to click on add another step. Now to add captions to your image, you again need to search for ChatGPT, and after that you need to scroll down and select the ChatGPT. And now in the action, you need to write the analyze text. It will analyze the text and give the best caption. And then again, click on add step. Now you want to search Instagram from here. And after that, you need to select Instagram. And in an event, you need to click on publish photos, because we are generating an image and a caption, so you need to publish photos. And when you are done, simply click on publish, and after that you first need to sign in to your Instagram before business to access the Instagram and the ChatGPT. And when you are done, simply click on publish, or you can give it a test run, but before completing your Zap you can do it. So first you need to complete your Zap, and after that you can test run. And this is how you can automate your Instagram with ChatGPT using Zapier. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.